Alright, so we got the first one installed. So it has a little latch on the bottom. Pull that. Comes out 50 pounds, it says. Locks it in there. Can't come out. Pretty solid. I don't have all the drawers in it yet because I'm waiting on my pack out, so I don't want to put them in there until I know how tall I'm going to go with those. But yeah, the feet and all that are pretty sturdy. The mounting is a little interesting. Basically, it's a rail, a mounting point down there at the bottom, mounting point at the top, and same thing on the other side. So these slide in there. Let's see here, right in there like that, and then these bolts and washers hold it on there from bouncing up, you know, but it seems to be pretty solid. There's those brackets right there. It comes with a bunch of different mounting options. So these can mount to the tops of those rails and go up there against it. It's just I wanted a little bit more. And then right here's another mounting option. I mean, they give you a ton of different things, and even the high top vans, they give you extensions for those, which mine's not. It's a mid. It's a nice rack. Very nice. My own way of mounting these rails here, but I use the factory holes as much as I can because they're stronger than the threaded rivets, but I mean they're on there. So this one I still got a bolt on, but it turned out good. I did a little L bracket there. I have to cut that off flush because that box sits in there. This is insulation, it's going to go behind it. Drawers, you take these little nuts, put in these grooves right here, and they just kind of sit in there like that, and the drawers go in, and the shorter 10mm bolts go through there. But if the top one falls out, if the top nut falls out of that plastic, then you gotta pull the whole drawer back out. So what I've been doing is put that nut in there. I'll stick this up through here, up against that plastic thing, so that nut can't fall out until I get it started. But now that I got the first drawer started and it's a little bit more sturdy, it shouldn't be too hard. But it works good. I'm just waiting on the other pack out stuff to come in. Very nice. So when you put them next to each other, they come with these brackets, but they want you to have it farther apart away, and I wanted it nice and close, so I had to take out some bolts in the bottom and run them through each other, and now it's all one piece and real solid. And once I get the drawers in, then this side it'll tie this side with that, but pretty happy with it.